This is how you thread up an industrial sewing machine. Put the reel on, go to the back and through the plastic eye at the top of the stand. Bring the thread down through the first eye and then through the second eye. Then we're going to go in between the tension disc and through the third little eye. Some of the other tension discs are different from that one. Then we go down through the first eye, we ignore the second eye and we go down through the third eye, first and third. Down through the tension disc, make sure it's through the tension disc, over the little wire, don't forget the wire, under the hook, in through the second hook, and then we're going to thread it up through the eye. So through this eye, and take it down through the twisty section. And then there's another little one just underneath, above the needle. Cut the end of your thread and then thread it through the eye of the needle.